All right, gridlock is good. The Dow is on pace right now to see its best week, at least since February. Will that at least ease some of the skittishness in these markets, the VIX and all that stuff that goes crazy every time someone just sneezes? To market watcher Michael Block, a calming force in these markets, I might add. What do you think?
Well, going into Tuesday, I said, look, and barring some massive surprise, just getting these elections out of the way, getting that overhang done with was going to be healthy. Sure enough, we got what we were expecting. Democrats taking the House, Republicans keeping the Senate, and off we went to the races yesterday. And now, today they're holding in pretty well. I'd like to see tech doing a little better, but that's personal preference. The big surprise yesterday was what I thought started out as almost a sarcastic move with Trump wishing Pelosi well, but then turned into us hearing about this cooperation, talk of bipartisanship on lowering drug prices, on infrastructure and everything else, and it got folks very excited. And I think that's a lot of what we're seeing today. There's hope on that. There's hope for the end of the month. And will Xi and Trump be able to reach a trade deal between the U.S. and China? There's a lot of hope going on here. And while I'm very bullish here, I got more bullish on October 30th that morning, that Tuesday morning. I do say I don't think we're going to go up in a straight line. And anyone looking for this beautiful record of bipartisanship to just start flourishing right away, it's going to take some time if it happens at all.
But, Michael, you might want to be careful what you wish for, right? I mean, if let's say they do reach agreement on trying to lower drug prices, good for most Americans, obviously, who are sick to death of double-digit increases and prescription prices moving up faster than college tuitions, but not so for those stocks, right? So I'm wondering what that bifurcated message could mean for Wall Street, where some select industries could be actually targeted by the government and others not so much.
We've been hearing about the drug price story for a long time. True. It caused some people to shoot against health care. I've been bullish health care. I still have a bullish call tactically out on health care. We'll see if this comes to fruition. Like I said, I'm a little skeptical that there's going to be this bipartisan effort marching along. For the big pharma, I think a lot of this is priced in. We'll see where that goes. Well, are we going to nationalize health care because of bipartisanship? I doubt it. I don't think we're going there. I still like the sector here. We'll see where we go with everything else, though.
All right. Now, the Federal Reserve meeting today, not expected to hike rates today, but very much expected to do so in December, keep the rate increases going next year. That's going to obviously enrage the president, and it's going to get nasty. What's the fallout from that?
We'll see what happens. No one's expecting anything today. I'll be very surprised if there's any even change in the economic outlook expressed today. I think it's going to look like they sat around for a day and a half doing nothing. I always joke that they switched on the baseball game. Hopefully they're watching us here. They can probably pick up a few tips from us. But the point is this. In December, it looks like a hike. You're flashing the 10-year yield right now at 323. Well, that 323 is a lot higher than it was a couple of months ago.
Absolutely.
I'm not happy about that. I'm looking at how that goes. But when I look at that, the one thing it does is it gives the Fed some cover, if you would, where there was a lot of fear that they were going to invert the yield curve. That 210 spread is back out to about 30 basis points. It got below 20 earlier, and there was this real fear that there was going to be inversion. Now, maybe that doesn't matter, but it often sends bad signals, and as we know, the quantitative investors out there, the beep boop machines that control the market, as I like to call them, to use a technical term, of course, Neil, might get the wrong signal from that. This gives them a little more room. That being said, I'm looking at Q4. I'm looking at next year. There are some spots in the economy that keep going gangbusters. The job market, wages up 3.1% last month. That seems to be slowly working. But I don't see the Fed raising 4 times next year. I'm more like I'm at a 2 on that.
Wow.
And we're going to see how it plays out. Like, so when circumstances change, I change my mind. What do you do? That's where I come out on that. So I think everyone looking for this march forward and Trump getting angry. Let's see how the reality plays out. It doesn't behoove me to make slam my fist down and say 4 hikes just because the dots say so and the guys at the big bulge brackets say so. I have a little habit of disagreeing with them, and let's see how that goes.
And it's richly rewarded your followers. Michael Block, thank you very much, my friend. Good seeing you.
Great to be here.